And you've been often criticized for your views.
I love my country and I am a patriot. I want to see a positive change in the country. I talk about these issues. Now, the United Nations has said that India is the most dangerous place to be born a woman. The whole country is so patriarchal, and boys feel that they can get away with anything, that women are not objects.
That's the main thing that you feel.
I really feel that education and the whole viewpoint of the society towards women needs to change. Hello, this is Malika Sharawat, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Tell us about your briefly about your journey of a girl from Haryana, and it's been a long journey.
Yes.
And you battled your way up, and you're one of the most notable names that we have in the movie business and the entertainment field. How do you look at this journey so far?
I think, Faridun, where I come from, Haryana, women don't get a chance at life. You know, for me, just the fact that I am on my own feet, I take care of myself and I live life on my own terms, that for me has been the biggest achievement. Because it is very, very regressive towards women. And it starts in childhood only, where girls are not encouraged. At least when I was growing up, I've seen that around me. Girls are not encouraged to do anything. So to break out of that and to take care of myself and to live life on my own terms, that is something very special.
And you've been often criticized for your views. When you say the word like regressive, you have been criticized for that. That why are you saying the word regressive? How do you deal with that?
I mean, now the United Nations has said that India is the most dangerous place to be born a woman. So now it's not only me. I personally find when I'm criticized that whole issue very hypocritical. Because according to National Crime Bureau report, every 20 minutes a girl is raped in India. So we need to talk about it. This issue needs to be addressed. Because till the women of this country don't come up, India cannot rise. And I feel India right now is on the brink of a rise. So we need both men and women together in it. But if women are treated like that, and such some small things like people I feel are more concerned about the image of India. And they feel that, okay, Malika is not a patriot because she talks about these issues. But because I love my country and I am a patriot, I want to see a positive change in the country. I talk about these issues, which is the need of the hour. There are little girls getting butchered. That Kathua rape happened, Delhi gang rape happened. Like there's so many one after the other. We need. I feel it's my moral responsibility as a woman to talk about this and to bring attention to this.
What can be done to maybe make a change?
I think more stringent laws, but more than that, Faridun, I mean, it's so patriarchal. The whole country is so patriarchal, and boys feel that they can get away with anything. So I feel education would really change that. But more sensitivity towards women as a whole in the society. I think that is what is really required, that women are not objects.
That's the main thing that you feel.
I really feel that education and the whole viewpoint of the society towards women needs to change. There needs to be a huge transformation at the grassroots level. Because India is not big cities like Bombay and Delhi. India is the small towns. India is the small villages. That is what real India is. And out there, from my experience, from what I have seen, the view towards women is not very progressive. We don't have toilets for girls. So I was reading the United Nations report because I'm the brand ambassador for Free a Girl, where we rehabilitate victims of child prostitution. You know, girls as small as 8 or 9 years old are sold into prostitution. And we educate them and we make them lawyers, and we've tied up with law firms, we get them a law degree. So we give them back their life, their dignity, their respect.
One of your videos that went viral when a journalist confronted you and she said that why are you making these statements about India, and you made a statement that you being a woman, at least you should not be saying these things to me, because what I'm saying is the truth. Do you enough feel that maybe women need to stand up for women more?
I feel so. I feel there is patriarchy is so deep rooted in the psyche of women also that there is no solidarity towards women. That is my experience. Anybody else could have a different experience, but from my experience, I feel that there needs to be more solidarity towards women. Women need to stand up for each other. They need to stick with each other. Hello, this is Malika Sharawat, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.